Welcome, my dear students, in 5th semester. Today we are going to discuss about photochemistry. Now, first of all, see what is meant by photochemistry. We know that photo means light. The chemical reactions in which light is absorbed by reacting substance and carry a reaction. Such a reactions which are initiated by the absorption of light are photochemical reaction, and such a chemistry deals with the study of photochemical reaction is a photochemistry. Now see principle of a photochemistry. Now we know that when light is incident on the matter or reacting species, then the light absorbed is responsible to carry a reaction and to form a product. No matter what amount of light is reflected or what amount of light is transmitted, only the photochemistry concern with the absorption of light, means the light absorbed is responsible to carry a chemical reaction. Now, according to Grothus and Drapers, the light which is absorbed by a reacting substance to form a product is responsible for the chemical reaction is the main principle of this photochemistry. And also each reacting molecule absorb only one quanta of energy or photon of energy. In this way, in the photochemical reaction, the light which is absorbed is responsible to carry a chemical reaction and to form a product is nothing but a photochemical reaction. Now, in day-to-day life, there are number of photochemical reaction. We know that a reaction that is called as photosynthesis. क्या होता है फोटोसिंथेसिस रिएक्शन में, आप लोगों को पता है. इन फोटोसिंथेसिस plants, that is chlorophyll in the plant, and in the presence of solar energy, that is in the presence of light, the carbon dioxide and water, means CO2 plus H2O in green plants, that is chlorophyll, that is the solar energy, to form glucose plus oxygen. Here this glucose and oxygen, these are the product. Now this reaction of carbon dioxide and water from the green plant initiated in the presence of sunlight. That's why it is a best example of a photochemical reaction. Now, second example of photochemical reaction is photodecomposition of plastic. In this reaction, UV light when incident on the plastic, then this absorbed light by the plastic incorporates oxygen, that is oxidation of plastic takes place and it get converted into brittle form and gives a final fine product. In this way, this photochemical decomposition of plastic is initiated due to absorption of light. That's why it is the best example of this photochemical reaction. Next example of photochemical reaction is a formation of vitamin D from sunlight. Now, in this way, these three are the best examples of photochemical reaction in day-to-day life.